Okay, millions of people around the world take New Year resolution in a hope that next year will be better than this one. And according to Forbes, 25% are really committed for it for 1 month. And only 8% actually accomplish what they take. So, why is it that? Not that we don't want to accomplish what we want, but because our plates are already so full, and when we take on new things, it becomes difficult to consistently follow up. With so much of knowing and exposure from everywhere, like from YouTube, videos, feeds, articles, we are overeducated today about everything. Be it how to raise our children, how to make our relationship better, what to do to excel in our jobs and careers, how to keep ourselves fit and healthy. We know everything. And with that, our to-do list keeps on adding and getting bigger and bigger. And with my experience of working with so many people, I have found one thing in common, that when we are not able to follow up and follow through our to-do list, we start to blame ourselves, criticize ourselves, and actually start doubting ourselves in order not to keep up and cope up with our to-do list, which actually doesn't enhance our lives, rather it depletes it, because we are comparing ourselves to what others are doing. So today, I really want to suggest you to, instead of starting something new this year and taking on and adding to your bucket, start to stop one thing from your lifestyle that is not actually adding much value, but rather it sucks away your energy, your time, and your mind space. Like, I'll share my example. What I have stopped doing for my health, I've stopped eating after 7:30 so that my digestive system gets rest. For my children, I've stopped nagging them for eating food. And now I see them, they taking responsibility of their eating patterns. For my relations, I have stopped to imposing my point of view on others and give them the freedom to be. For my work, I really have stopped giving time to low important things, low priority things, which are not adding value for my growth. Rather, it takes away so much of my time. For my money, I stopped hoarding money. And now that doesn't mean I've started spending it, but since I'm not hoarding it, the circulation has started so that my money can make more money. Similarly, we see that when we start to stop things, it creates a space for so many new and important things to come that actually enhance our lives. So, I want you to actually stop doing only one thing from this coming new year, which is going to enhance your life. It could be in any area, or it could be in multiple areas also, like I did. Because stop is the new start this year. Life is simple. Let's keep it simple. Thank you, Deeksha.